Music is more than just noise. It brings people together, and this is exactly what motivates us. In 2016, we launched our first headphone. It was a success and a door opener for more possibilities. So we asked ourselves, how can we find the perfect sound? How can we make a headphone that covers all your needs? A headphone with a unique hearing profile and more features that define your lifestyle. Introducing Pure, the first customizable headphone that adapts to your personal hearing.
Wow, that's really cool. Yeah, that's really cool one.
We all hear differently, and not everybody can hear 100% of their music due to hearing loss. So we came together with the market leader in audiology and our team of Swiss engineers and designers to create a headphone without any limitations. Together we developed a unique and brilliant sound concept, so every note is crystal clear and can be heard just as the artist intended.
And the quality is good, eh? You really get in the mood, like in your world in a way. Yeah.
It is now possible to do an intelligent and individual hearing test to make your headphone unique and adjusted to you. So everybody has a different perception of sound, because the ear is a very sensitive part of our body. Therefore, we came together with experts in audiology to find out what it needs to create a perfect sound profile. We designed an app that measures your personal hearing, which is then saved to your headphone. This makes your headphone unique and 100% adjusted to you.
Wenn man das eben kann individualisieren kann, dass man das anpassen kann, finde ich das eine recht gekonnte Lösung und recht interessant vor allem.
We are passionate music listeners, and we see a lot of potential when it comes to design and usability. So we developed a lot of new functions that are not on the market so far. Pure is unlike any other headphone. It has an integrated cable, so you can charge on the go. And thanks to fast fueling, your headphone is fully charged within minutes. With our flexible switch system, you can easily change between on and over-ear ear cups to find your comfort and get the best of both worlds. We measured many different heads and ears to make sure you have the most comfortable fit for yourself.
Einerseits haben wir moderne Kopfhörer machen, zeitgemäße Kopfhörer machen, die vom Design her ansprechend und dynamisch ist.
And there are even more technical features. Our intelligent play pause system understands when it needs to pause.
Wow, that's really cool. Yeah, that's really cool one.
That's the automatic.
Actually, because it takes quite a while if you need to find your phone or like if you are doing something at the same time. Then.
Yeah, for example.
And of course, we thought of active noise cancelling and clear voice cancelling for perfect isolation and clear phone calls in noisy environments.
It's very small. Do you have a set with all those things in a small package like that? No, I think not.
Music unites, and this brought us, Blommenberger, together with the Formula 1 team Toro Rosso, who also strive for the very best. They are always confronted with music as it motivates them before their races. Get to know Pure and hear the difference. We have working prototypes ready, and now we need your support to start the production.
On behalf of the whole team, we want to thank you for your listening here. It's all about music, but let's make it your music.